If your car has a high idling speed and shows both a code P0300 and a code P0171, you should check for a vacuum leak before you buy any new parts. The answer to fixing these two codes together is almost always finding a hole where air is leaking into the engine. You need to prioritize finding this air leak because unmetered air entering the engine is the direct cause of both the lean condition and the random misfires. When air bypasses the mass airflow sensor through a crack or a bad seal, the engine computer cannot track how much oxygen is actually inside the cylinders. The computer tries to fix this by spraying as much fuel as possible through the injectors, but the mixture stays so thin that it fails to ignite properly. This is why you see the random misfire code alongside the lean code. That whistling or hissing sound you hear under the hood is the physical noise of air being sucked into the intake manifold through a breach. To find the exact spot, keep the engine running and listen for that high-pitched sound while you look at the rubber parts of the intake system. You can use a can of carburetor cleaner or an unlit propane torch to find the hole. Carefully move the spray or the unlit torch nozzle around the intake manifold mating surfaces, the corrugated intake boot, and the positive crankcase ventilation hoses. You should also check the evaporative emission purge lines for any signs of dry rot or cracking. If the engine speed suddenly jumps up or drops down while you are spraying a specific area, you have found the leak. A simple cracked hose on the positive crankcase ventilation system is a very common reason for a high, surging idle and stalling at stoplights. If a shop tells you that you need a new fuel pump, new fuel injectors, or a full set of spark plugs and ignition coils for these two codes, they are likely skipping the basic diagnostic steps. Replacing a $10 rubber hose is often the only thing needed to seal the system and bring your fuel trims back to a normal range. Fixing this now is important because a constant lean misfire creates extreme heat that can melt the internal structure of your catalytic converter. This repair takes very little time and ensures the engine computer can control the air and fuel ratio correctly again. Once you replace the leaking hose or the failed gasket, the computer will stop overcompensating and those warning lights will clear after a few miles of driving. Do not spend hundreds of dollars on ignition components until you are sure the engine is not sucking in extra air through a broken line. Check those vacuum hoses before you buy a single spark plug. If you find a crack in your intake boot, let me know in the comments.